The first thing we'll want to do now is select all the area that will be sky colored. To do this, we'll make use of the Magic Wand tool, the one near the top of the toolbar that looks like a 4th of July sparkler. We should make certain our wand options are acceptable. Tolerance 32, anti-alias, check. Contiguous selection, check. Sample all layers, sure. Now it's simply a matter of selecting the areas we wish to color. After clicking the first area, we should hold the Shift key down. Note the plus sign now attached to the mouse. This will allow us to select multiple areas at a time. Without holding the Shift key down, we would simply be selecting new areas. So, while holding Shift, let's select all the sky areas we can. Now we'll want our selection area to slightly overlap with the black line work, so that our coloring will run right up and into the black. To do this, we'll go up to Select, Modify, and Expand. This will expand our selection. For this particular project, we'll expand our selection radius by 1 pixel. Click OK. Once we have our selection, we'll do another solid filled adjustment layer. We'll notice that this time the fill layer is masked according to our selection. And of course, we should make certain that our new layer is below the line art. Additionally, we can see that some smaller areas of the sky evaded our attention earlier. Let's add those to the mask now. Making certain that the layer mask thumbnail is highlighted rather than the layer art, we'll zoom in slightly so that it will be easier to catch some of the missing pieces. Remember, Control plus to zoom in and Control minus to zoom out. Using Shift and the Magic Wand again, we'll catch those leftover areas of sky. And remember, spacebar, click and drag will help you navigate around your canvas. Get in behind the fence there. Alright, after we're satisfied that we've caught everything, we've got to expand our selection again. So, select, modify, expand, 1 pixel, OK. And now, with the mask selected, we can click Delete to cut out the perfect sized holes in our mask to let the sky shine through. Going to zoom back out, Control minus, and Control D to deselect. And just to be thorough, we'll double click on the layer name here to rename it Sky Fill. Enter to confirm. So then, let's do the same with the rooftops. For this selection, things are a bit easier. If we went along with a wand and tried to select all the little pieces we'd need to select, it would take a good half hour. Instead, there's a much quicker way. First, we type Control A to select the entire canvas. Control A stands for Select All. Now, while holding Control and Alt, we'll click on the mask for the sky layer. Note the negative sign while we hover over the mask. This will subtract the sky from our selection. Then, using our magic wand, we will hold Alt. This will let us do a subtractive selection, and click on the white border padding, subtracting that from our selection as well. Now it's simply a matter of creating a new adjustment layer with a solid fill of a different color. And let's rename this layer Rooftop Fill.